With the Intel X48 chipset and 45nm CPU entering the marketplace today, the performance of desktop computers will pick it up a notch, entering an entirely new generation of performance power. For this reason, abit specially designed the IX48-MAX to facilitate power users with the ultimate endurance and control to this prevailing platform. IX48-MAX is based on Intel's X48 ICH9R chipset. The board supports the latest 45nm CPU and an existing 65nm CPU. With the memory slots that support dual-channel DDR3 and the digital PWM, the IX48-MAX is absolutely flawless in its performance. Additional highlights are abit's unique Otis microgroup technology, which allows users to control their platform at ease with uncompromising control. Now the abit engineer is going to bring you to see the secrets of the IX48-MAX. Now we're going to build a platform utilizing the IX48-MAX motherboard and show you why the IX48-MAX is your choice and extremely user-friendly for us power users. We can see the components here, which include the Intel CPU, DDR3 memory. We're going to use the dual channel memory and the dual GPU with crossfire technology to improve the performance of this platform. Now let's see how special this IX48-MAX can be. Here we can see the heatsink set on the south bridge. Its main function is to efficiently decrease system temperature. The north bridge also comes equipped with a specially designed cooling system which alleviates system heat stress under maximum system performance. Here we can find that the heatsink on the PWM which helps cool the digital PWM. You can add a 4x4 cm fan on the heatsink to strengthen the cooling. Next to the PWM is a 12-volt power supply. The CPU socket 775 is set here. And there are 4 pieces of 240-pin DIMM for DDR3 memory slot here. You can expand the capacity up to 8 gigs. They support dual channels and it can be up to 1600 megahertz. abit even pushed it even more than 1900 megahertz. You can see the 24-pin power source here, and you can find out that we choose to use 100% solid-state capacitors on the whole IX48-MAX motherboard. Then let's take a look at the expansion slots. IX48-MAX designed 2 pieces of PCIe with 16 times slots. The back one is with 4 times bandwidth. Here on the left you can see the PCIe 1 time slot. IX48-MAX didn't forget the PCI slots either. There are 2 pieces of PCI slots here. This small thing is abit's unique technology, microgroup chip. This chip can work collaboratively with microgroup utility to improve overclockability for power users and allow control over your platform with swift ease. The CMOS chip and the batteries are set here and here. The code on the LED poster can help users recognize what happened with the platform now. Now let's look more details. From the right you can see the I/O header for front panel. There are 4 headers for front USB port and they can be expanded up to 8 ports. The headers here is for front audio, SPDIF output, and the FireWire port. Here are the FireWire controllers and LAN controller chip. IX48-MAX puts a floppy port here. It can support up to 2.88 megabytes. The IDE port is here. 6 SATA ports are set here. You can see the IDE port and SATA ports are all designed to be 90 degrees forward outside. The design makes the installation and usage much easier. The power and reset button built on board can help overclockers to perform their overclockability without adding additional switch devices, making it both easy and convenient. Look at the back panel. We can see there are 2 PS2 ports that support mouse and keyboard separately. And the Easy Clear CMOS button next to the PS2 port can let users recover the CMOS to default setting quickly without opening the case. You can also find that IX48-MAX design on SPDIF input and output on the back panel. There are two eSATA ports, and the 7.1 channel audio connector here provides high quality sound effects. Here's a FireWire port and the Gigabit Ethernet LAN port. There are 4 ports for USB 2.0. After the introduction, let us show you the complete installation. You'll be seeing the most beautiful platform ever made. Never miss a chance to build a great system. Just come and experience the amazing Tiger Force with the abit IX48-MAX.